And by the way, today I'm 40 years old. Today.
Lì ci sono le melanzane, le tue preferite. Però io adesso quando frigo le melanzane. Tanti auguri a Mimmo! Tanti auguri a te! Auguri!
No, non c'è bisogno che...
Poi si toglie.
Domani. I haven't been posting videos on this channel in the past months for a few reasons. The main one is because I was busy with the protest.
Viva la libertà e le piante secolari! A posto, dai.
In Sardinia, we're facing land grabbing by multinationals that are building energy industries in the countryside, basically. All has to do with renewables and decarbonization, but actually is just a business that is taking over Sardinia, pretty much. In the city where I live, they want to build a huge power plant. Some people occupy the land where the power plant is supposed to be. I spent months in there. It lasted for 4 months. It has been a great time. A lot of people came to the place and there were a lot of concerts, music. Fighting against the government and the multinationals. In Sardinia we have this story, but I don't want to talk about it here that much, so I'm just gonna let you know a few things. It's hard to tell, so if you want to check some of those videos, I'm no longer putting subtitles in there because YouTube was confused about the public, the audience, so without subtitles it's just giving me more and more Italians to watch my videos, which is what I intend to do because that topic is something we need to discuss between us. And this is my English channel that keeps dying. It keeps dying, I don't know why. There was a video that was doing very well, the one where I have the nasal strip. It had like 200 views, the best in the channel, and I was looking at it, and at one point I say boom, it went to 0 in front of my eyes, and I realized there was one dislike that killed the video instantly in front of my eyes, and not only the video, the entire channel died right after it. And it's crazy how powerful is a dislike on YouTube. Sometimes you don't think about it, but probably, yeah, one dislike can kill a YouTube video once and for all, and maybe a channel, because the person be like, oh wow, maybe doesn't look at the dislike. It says everything is 0 and things, it's dead. But there is a reason. Yeah, dislikes are so powerful. Better maybe, instead of disliking a video from a small channel, maybe start a conversation and just write a comment. Even if it's a bad comment, just write a comment instead of disliking. And YouTube removed dislikes visually, but they're still there. I remember when they removed it, and I think I know why they removed it. I think they removed it to avoid mass dislikes on their videos, especially because this was happening for YouTube assets, YouTube creators that were paid to be in the platform. And so I remember there was one that had a problem with her community, and all her content was mass disliked in a couple of days. And a couple of days later, YouTube removed dislikes count from videos. And I think that was the reason behind it. I mean, it's a nice move. It's a smart move. It's bad when dislikes are used just to hate people. I think that's the reason why they removed the numbers, to preserve content that otherwise would be wasted. We lost a very important number in YouTube because we used to go in a video and see 25,000 dislikes and 100 likes, and you'd be like, okay, this is not a video worth watching. Maybe it was a scam, maybe it was just clickbait, maybe it's fake, anything. We were used to that number to be there. It was great, but hey, I understand. They removed it, but it still works. So if you dislike something, probably not going to be shown to other people that easily again. So, yeah. But hey, feel free to dislike this video if you don't like it. I get it. This is very low effort. I'm not really making big effort videos that much. I'm sorry. So if you're new here and you like what you see, please put a dislike. Like, share, tell your friends, subscribe to the channel. I'll be back again. Ciao.